Mercedes confirms end of four-cylinder C63. Six-cylinder replacement coming the controversial four-cylinder AMG C63 is being discontinued, according to Mercedes-AMG CEO Michael Schieb. The decision isn't driven by enthusiast backlash, despite the car's polarizing reception, but by impending Euro 7 emissions regulations that make the current engine configuration difficult to certify. Shift to inline-six engine. The outgoing C63 will be replaced by a new C53 model, powered by a turbocharged 3-liter inline-six engine, M256M. This unit, already used in the CLE53, delivers 443 horsepower and 413 lb-ft of torque. While exact figures for the C53 haven't been confirmed, the move marks a departure from the current plug-in hybrid setup. Why the change? Emissions and weight. The existing four-cylinder hybrid system, despite its combined 671 HP and 752 lb-ft output, presents challenges in meeting Euro 7 standards. The switch to a simpler ICE engine also promises weight reduction. The current C63 weighs over 4,800 pounds. The new C53 should be lighter overall, despite the larger engine. The same change is expected to affect the GLC model, which shares a platform with the C-Class. Euro 7 regulations. A surprise catalyst. Mercedes executives seem to have underestimated the impact of Euro 7, delaying the engine change until now. The stricter regulations, set to take effect later this year, render the existing powertrain less viable. This is a somewhat ironic outcome. Emissions rules, historically detrimental to performance cars, are now pushing Mercedes towards a more traditional setup. What does this mean? The decision to drop the four-cylinder C63 is a significant shift. It signals Mercedes' willingness to adapt its performance lineup to changing regulations, even if it means abandoning previously defended strategies. While an 8-cylinder C63 isn't currently planned, the company has confirmed development of a new V8 engine, suggesting further performance options may be on the horizon. The C53 is expected alongside the C-Class facelift in the coming months. The move from a four-cylinder to a six-cylinder engine should generate more interest from enthusiasts. The complex four-cylinder hybrid system, despite AMG's earlier defenses, will no longer be available. Ultimately, the shift represents a pragmatic response to regulatory pressures rather than direct consumer demand. The future of AMG performance will depend on balancing power, efficiency, and compliance.